is up, you guys? Good morning and welcome to another vlog. Today is gonna be another great day because we're gonna be talking about the Audi TT. In fact, it's really smoky here right now in Vancouver, and we're gonna be talking about where the smoke is coming out from the Audi TT. Alright, that's lame. But yes, we're gonna be talking about the exhaust of the Audi TT, and I have actually gotten Honda overtime to install the new exhaust for the Audi TT, and let's talk about it. But before that, you guys have not seen a montage of this Audi TT for quite some time now, so I guess without further ado, before we start talking about the exhaust of the Audi TT and before we start driving, let me give you some montage of the Audi TT. Enjoy. Enjoy that montage. And yes, we have installed a new exhaust for the Audi TT, and the coolest part about it is when I was looking for an exhaust for the Audi TT, I ended up with like maybe 3 options, and these 3 options are the Borla exhaust, the Magnaflow exhaust, and the Milltek exhaust. And I went for the Milltek exhaust, and biggest reason why is because no, it's not the loudest of the 3, but personally I think it's got better exhaust notes, especially coming from an Audi TT. Like, no, it's not gonna be like a screaming V12 sound, but it's a pretty decent sound for how the car looks. There's really no other way to like give you an example of the exhaust of this car but to actually let you hear it. So let's go to the back of the car and let me position you guys. And if you're looking for a Milltek exhaust, or if you're looking to putting an exhaust in your Audi TT, this would be like a good example of a Milltek exhaust. So I hope you enjoy this one. Also, let's go for a drive, and oh, it's probably really echoey here. Let me open the window. Let's go for a drive and let me give you guys some kind of like good example of how the car actually sounds when you're running. So I'm gonna give you some rundown. Well, let's do some mountain pass. Unfortunately, I don't have a GoPro, so I'm not gonna be able to put like a GoPro beside the exhaust so you guys could actually hear the whole thing. But I'm gonna work on that, and hopefully the next upcoming videos we're gonna have a GoPro attached to the back of this car so you guys could actually get a better example of how the exhaust notes actually sound while it's running. But I'm just gonna do like maybe a few passes on a mountain, and I'm gonna try to film it or like find a really good view, and hopefully that's enough for you guys to get a good example of what a Milltek exhaust sounds. So without further ado, let's start driving and enjoy this one. So there you go, guys. I really hope that the mic of this camera is picking up the sound, and if not, I'm still gonna try to get a GoPro next time so I could actually attach it next to the exhaust so that you guys could actually hear it properly in action. And yeah, the fact that I actually had to get a GoPro, that means that this car is not the loudest, but that's the goal of this exhaust, is not to have the loudest exhaust, but to actually have a sound that would actually match the looks of this car. Again, this is not the most aggressive looking car, so I'm just not gonna put like a really obnoxious loud exhaust on this one. But I do really hope that you guys enjoy that drive. And man, like, it's always amazing when you actually drive on a mountain pass, and I really had fun and amazing day today, so I really hope that you guys did too. And please do subscribe if you are not yet, because I'm still giving away 500 Canadian dollars to one lucky subscriber once we hit 1,000 subs, and it truly helps the channel a lot. And again, it's free, so all you gotta do is just hit that subscribe button. And on that note, please stay safe, take care, and make the most out of your day. Peace!